guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do a get ready with me. I'm gonna update y'all on how it's been going. I'm trying to see if we could go back to when YouTube we had our studio setups. I really love this kind of setup. So anyway, that's what the background is for. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, add a little got to be. So y'all, it has been, it's probably been about 2 months so far, getting to know said friend, and it's just been lovely. Like, what makes it different is that I always say that, you know, it shouldn't be, your relationship shouldn't be like treacherously hard when you're like getting to know the person. And by that, it doesn't mean that you guys don't have disagreements or whatever, but I just feel like, I don't know, your partner should be your best friend, someone you vibe with, and someone you could just be real with. And it's nice to kind of have that energy from the jump, instead of having to like jump through all these hoops to like prove that you like someone before you can get that raw, authentic side of them. And so I feel like we both have been pretty authentic and been enjoying each other. It is a long distance situation, which I'm not surprised because y'all, I know, you know, who's for me isn't right here where I'm located. Cause trust me, I've been here long enough, I would have been running into somebody by now. But yeah, so it's going good. I can't complain. Right now I'm trying out the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. This is the illuminating one. They sent this to me, so let's see. Oh, it's hydrating and illuminating. Oh, that's pretty. I like. I'm gonna get into these brows real quick because y'all know, look at the brow. Y'all, I've been loving this brow pencil. This is LA Girl, actually. Their Shady Slim Pencil. And it's giving NYX Micro Brow Pencil, but for the low. So because we are long distance, he has not come to me yet, nor have I gone to him. We've always had like a destination date situation, and I'm not mad at it because it's nice. Next, I'm trying to go up there, and then he's gonna come down here. So like our first date, he was came to Charlotte, as did I, and we hung out there, which was what the first vlog was about. And that was fun because it was just like us one-on-one, getting to know each other, feeling the vibes. And then the second date, I kind of planned out, and so that's the second vlog that you guys seen. But we were having so much fun. Like literally, I wasn't on my phone hardly at all, like the whole time we were there. And we were there for about 4 days. But we got so many memories. We bought our Polaroid, and then he had his camera, and so we took a whole lot of pictures, which was fun because I'm a memory junkie. So I love capturing memories, so I can like go back and look at them and be like, oh my gosh, do you remember this? Do you remember that? So I really like the fact that he didn't have any, like he was just as interested in capturing the memories as I was. And it wasn't like no pressure. Favorite thing about him, he's straightforward and honest. But he also like, he's ambitious, and he gives off the energy that I give off. Like, I am trying to build a legacy that's gonna be long lasting. I'm trying to, you know, build up something for my future family. I'm trying to do all that I can to help other people, and I feel like he's doing the same thing. Like he's very, so far he seems selfless. So he like cares about other people and stuff like that, but he's also very caring. He's emotionally intelligent, there you go, which is nice because I run into a lot of people who are not emotionally intelligent, which can be challenging when you are emotionally intelligent. And what I mean by that is just like being aware, like they know how they feel about certain things. They know why they feel that way. They know like, oh, you know, this thing, like they know how to explain, they understand their emotions, and they know how to kind of explain and communicate their emotions, I guess. And we all need someone who's a good communicator because we'll get a lot further with that. So I like that about him. And we have so much in common, it's kind of scary. This foundation is the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation in the shade Rich 25. I tried this out only one other time, and it looked like to be a pretty good match. So in person it's a tinge more peachy than my natural undertone, but I'm not mad at it. And I'm okay with medium coverage. I think what makes this this guy hit different is that one, he treats me how I deserve to be treated. And for a long time I didn't I knew things that I wanted, but I thought they were just like wants, like not necessities. And I realized that no, emotional intelligence is a necessity. Knowing how you feel about me is a necessity. Being able to communicate effectively is a necessity. It's not just like, oh, that's the icing on the cake that they know how to communicate. No, that's a need. And y'all, I didn't tell y'all, well, this happened after the vlog, but y'all, this man, so the second date, I planned pretty much that entire thing. He gave me some, you know, pointers here and there, things he wanted to do. And I also incorporated things that my sister wanted to do because it was 4 of us on that trip. It was kind of on like some double date type stuff, or double date vacation, I guess you could call it. And so after the weekend was over, this man sent me some flowers to my job, y'all. I said, oh my God. You know, those things that you always wish, you be like, dang, nobody ever sent me no flowers to my job when other people be getting flowers or like stuff like that. And when them flowers came, I was just like, oh my gosh. And they were literally just for appreciation of what I had put together for that weekend. Like, who does that? Most people would just be like, hey, bro. Not bro, but they'd be like, hey, I had a good time this weekend or whatever. Appreciate you. Da, 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 and like, that's it. Like, that's all they got. But he went above and beyond to find out where I work, because I did not tell him. Well, he knew like where I worked, but he didn't know the physical location of where I worked. So he went above and beyond to find that out, and then sent me some flowers. And this was like literally on some next business day type stuff. Like, it wasn't no, he had to think about it heavily before he decided he was gonna do it. Like, baby did it, and he did it quick, okay? And I just thought that was so thoughtful, cause you don't run across people who do stuff like that. But I'm gonna keep y'all posted, cause I don't think he gonna hurt my feelings or nothing like that. But I'm gonna keep y'all posted, cause you know, sometimes they just be slicksters and they be trying to get you. They try to smooth talk you. But for this to just be a little token of appreciation, I was like, nah, we really vibing with each other, which I like. And it's about time, cause I deserve. That's the first thing I text my sister when I got them flowers. I said, girl, now this is what I deserve. I'm gonna talk all this whole thing about him, but he seems like a vibe. We just have so much in common. It's kind of scary. And you know, I always tell Jesus, like, you know, if you trying to give me a sign, like, you need to smack me with the sign. And I feel like when I first like started finding out stuff about him, like what he stands for is just like stuff that I stand for, like trying to be a positive influence and help just other people be their best selves. Different things, we like similar things, we do similar things. Our job is, at the moment when we met, was pretty much like the same kind of thing. I don't know, it was just really like a lot of coinky-dinks. And I was like, Jesus, is this you? He's taller than me. He has beautiful eyes. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. He probably watching this. Hello. That's all I got. I ain't gonna keep hyping you up. I'm gonna let you live. She's giving flawless. She's giving I need to be going on a date right now. Another thing about vacation is you kind of get to see how people move when they're not in their element. I touched on that earlier. Like, he did not rush me, and he's a timely person. I'm not the most timeliest, but he did not rush me when I was getting ready. Like, he didn't have no issue with me doing my makeup or doing this and doing that, which I feel like some people are very superficial when it comes to doing your makeup, or I don't know, like I feel like sometimes guys, because they can't relate, they be like trying to, I don't know. I just like that he wasn't rushing me. So if you're a guy and you're watching this and you be rushing your girl to get ready, don't do it. This goes to show you, don't settle just because of the quality of men that are accessible to you or that you have access to. Don't do it. Because there's someone out there who is gonna treat you the way that you deserve to be treated and more. And also someone who is like your match. Someone who, I've been watching the one, do y'all believe there's a genetic match with someone else on earth? Neither here nor there, but there's someone out there who will match your vibe, who will be your best friend, who will just treat you the way you deserve. And I feel like a lot of women, well, one, we treat people who don't even deserve the treatment that we give them. We treat them all highly, but it's a whole different world when you're treating a woman the way that she should be treated. Like, she is gonna go above and beyond to make you happy, in my opinion. At least if you talking to someone that's similar to me. So let me set with some setting spray. And this is just a Flower Beauty setting spray. All right, so I wiped off my lips. I think I wanted to be very neutral, very flush. So I'm taking my Mented Cosmetics. This is their lip pencil in Foxy. And Mented has like the best lip pencils. Okay, and make sure I'm lining it right, y'all. Sorry if I'm out of frame. On the bottom, I'm just gonna line the outside to give me more of that pouty look. So NYX has these lip plumping, it's called the Fuller Instinct, and this is in Beach Casual. And I thought these was lip plumping glosses, but they're kind of like the sheer shiny lipstick, but they're supposed to give a plumping effect. So I just put a little bit on there, really for plumping, not for color. Oh, that actually don't look bad. It's very subtle. But this would be bomb with a lip gloss on top of it. So I have the, ooh, that might be too light. This is Milky Gloss. Let's see if we could just do a touch. Okay, this is cute. This is in the shade Milk and Honey. Oh, that's cute. And we're still giving sheen, we're giving natural, and we're matching the neck. So let me go. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit all over the place, but I just want to give y'all an update on Bae and how it's going. And yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all posted. We'll see, you know, see if we both make the cut. We keep saying that, like, I was like, you know, I hope I make the cut, and he was like, I hope he make the cut, and I was like, well, I hope we make the cut. So we gonna see. But so far so good. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for being excited about me finally finding someone or getting to know someone who's treating me the way that I deserve. I hope these little vlogs and just me sharing little bits and pieces about this journey encourages you to make sure you're not settling for anything less than you deserve, because you deserve the world and more. I love y'all so very much. Thank y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all are getting into this makeup look. I really like it. I did a little bun because this is supposed to be like professional headshot, so I'm trying to give you like professional but creative, kind of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below anything you want to know, or you know, other videos you would like to see. Make sure y'all subscribe, join the gym squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe. While you're at it, like this video. Also subscribe to Uncut Gems with Slim, which is my podcast / educational channel. I'll be finishing the YouTuber beginner series over on that channel, so make sure you subscribe there as well. I love y'all so very much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.